Oh, why do I have to read the book? Because you need to read the book, Kiwi, with the longest word. I see. I hope you reading is done. Oh wait, you don't have a family, do you? No, or else you'll be failed. I see.
Man, they are very long words. Well, Uncle, I'm gonna eat cookie. Okay, hurry up. Or maybe you should finish.
I guess he has a point.
Next. It is my decision. Episode, I will finish, and I want to get granted.
I see.
Next. Okay,
Do you realize there has been something watching?
Next. Hey,
Give me back my book. Yeah!
Ouch!
He stole my book. I have to get back before I get failed.
Oh, what next?
Nice mix.
Next.
Yippee-yi-yo!
Next. Paper the opal.
Thank you. I see you finish your book. Except Mixodale.
Cousins? How many do you eat? 1,000. This is why you need focus.
I don't get it.